talking about hobbies and interests in English.
We are always very busy.
But we still find plenty of time for our hobbies and interests.
Let's practice talking about them.
Let's do it.
Do you have any hobbies?
I enjoy reading, painting, and playing the guitar in my free time. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to watch TV and play video games. Are there any hobbies that you would like to take up?
I would like to learn a craft. Maybe something like pottery or woodworking. Do you have any other interests?
I'm really interested in photography. I love capturing beautiful moments and sharing them on Instagram. Did you have any favorite hobbies as a child?
Yes, I used to love building Lego sets. I played with them for hours. Are you a sports fan?
Yes, I'm a huge soccer fan. I love watching matches on weekends. What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love hiking and exploring nature trails. I often go camping with my friends and family.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I find playing video games a great way to relax and unwind. Are you into arts and crafts?
Yes, I enjoy sewing and knitting in my free time.
Are you a fan of dancing?
Yes, dancing is a passion of mine. I enjoy various styles like salsa and hip hop. Do you enjoy doing puzzles?
Yes, I find puzzles both challenging and enjoyable. They're a great way to exercise my mind.
Do you have a favorite board game or card game?
I love playing Scrabble and Uno with friends and family for some friendly competition. Do you ever play board games with your friends?
Yes, I enjoy playing games like Monopoly and Risk with friends and family.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I enjoy going for runs and doing yoga. It keeps both my body and mind healthy. Do you enjoy attending live performances?
Absolutely. I love watching live concerts, theater shows, and stand-up comedy acts.
What kinds of TV shows or movies do you like?
I enjoy watching comedies and dramas. I am binging on The Last of Us right now. Do you enjoy watching documentaries?
Absolutely. I find them informative and love learning about different topics.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the piano and enjoy composing my own music. I especially like classical music. What's your favorite genre of music?
I enjoy a wide range of genres. I particularly love K-pop and rock music. How about you?
I love singing J-pop songs when I go to karaoke. Are you a fan of karaoke?
Yes, I enjoy singing my favorite songs and having a great time with friends.
Have you ever tried playing a musical instrument?
Yes, I'm taking acoustic guitar lessons now. I'm thinking of getting an electric guitar sometime soon. Have you ever gone skiing?
Yes, I love skiing. I'm thinking of taking up snowboarding next year. How about you?
I've never been skiing or snowboarding. I really don't care for winter sports. Have you ever tried martial arts?
Yes, I practiced Taekwondo for a few years. It's a great way to stay fit and I met lots of interesting people. Have you ever tried learning a martial art?
Yes, I've practiced karate and found it fun and useful for self-defense. Have you ever tried gardening?
Yes, I love tending to plants and seeing them grow. It's relaxing and fun. Are you into gardening or growing your own food?
Yes, it is fun and relaxing. I love eating the fresh vegetables that I grow.
Have you ever tried pottery or ceramics?
Yes, it is fun working with clay and I love creating unique pottery pieces. Have you ever tried rock climbing or bouldering?
Yes, I find it thrilling and love challenging myself physically and mentally. Have you ever tried photography as a hobby?
Yes, I enjoy capturing beautiful moments and exploring different angles and perspectives. I especially like filming architecture in black and white.
Are you interested in learning a new language?
Yes, I find languages fascinating. I'm currently learning Spanish and am thinking about studying Korean.
Why are you interested in studying Korean?
I love watching Korean dramas. I would like to watch them without subtitles.
What is your favorite Korean drama?
I just finished Squid Game and am going to watch Money Heist next. Have you ever watched a Korean drama series?
I watched All of Us Are Dead.
How was it?
It was great. I would highly recommend it for anyone who is a fan of The Walking Dead.
Are you interested in learning about different cultures?
Definitely. I enjoy learning about different customs, traditions, and ways of life. Are you into DIY projects?
Absolutely. I enjoy fixing things around the house and creating unique crafts.
What kind of things do you do?
I just finished making a coffee table for the living room. My next project will be to build some shelves in my basement. Do you like going to museums or art galleries?
Yes, I am very interested in classical sculpture and impressionist painting.
Do you have a favorite artist?
Not really, but I am fascinated with Andy Warhol and his ideas about pop art. What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate various forms of art. I am particularly interested in modern paintings. I guess I would have to say that I find Basquiat to be the most interesting artist in that genre. Do you enjoy visiting art exhibitions?
Yes, I find them interesting and informative. I am planning to see a Warhol exhibition at the Museum of Modern Art next week.
That sounds interesting. Would you mind if I joined you?
That would be fun. I'll text you the details. That's all the time we have for today.
Don't forget to work hard and play hard.